India is named Aryavarta due to inhabitation of which of the following? Answer C. Arya. Who is called the father of Indian archaeology? Answer A. Alexander Cunningham. Epigraphy is? Answer A. The study of inscriptions. The first scholar who read Ashokan edicts? Answer C. James Prinsep. Which of the following is the oldest Veda? Answer B. Rigveda. Troy is a name for? Answer 3 Vedas. Nachiketa legends finds mention in? Answer C. Kathopanishad. Which of the following place is famous for prehistoric paintings? Answer B. Bhimbetka. The site of Harappa is located on the bank of which river? Answer D. Ravi. Which of the following is a Harappan site located in Rajasthan? Answer C. Kalibangan. Mohenjo-daro is situated in which of the following? Answer C. Sindh province in Pakistan. The Indus Valley people worshipped? Answer A. Shiv. Worship of Devi Mata was related to? Answer A. Indus Valley civilization. Which color was commonly used in the Harappan pottery? Answer A. Red. The archaeological finds from Alamgirpur in Meerut district reflected the? Answer A. Harappan culture. The largest site of Harappan in India is? Answer C. Lothal. Which of the following civilization flourished on the bank of river Nile? Answer D. Egyptian civilization. The earliest evidence of the use of iron in India has been discovered from? Answer B. Atranji Khera. Which of the following Vedas is not a part of Vedatrayi? Answer D. Atharvaveda. Which of the following river is known as Purushni in the Vedic period? Answer A. Rapi. Rig Veda is originally composed in which one of the following language? Answer B. Sanskrit. Who composed Gayatri Mantra? Answer B. Vishwamitra. The largest number of mantras in Rig Veda belongs to? Answer A. Agni. Satyameva Jayate, which is engraved on the Indian emblem, has been taken from? Answer C. Mundakopanishad. Ashtadhyayi was written by? Answer B. Panini. The staple food of Vedic Aryan was? Answer A. Barley and rice. Who among the is regarded as war god in Rigveda? Answer B. Indra. Who founded Pataliputra? Answer A. Uddayini. Which Magad ruler was known as Senya? Answer A. Bimbisara. Which emperor of Magad was known as Apar Parsuram? Answer D. Mahapadmananda. On the bank of which river did Mahavir Swami attain enlightenment? Answer D. Rijupalika. Mahavir's first disciple was? Answer D. Jamali. Which philosophy is recognized as Triratna? Answer D. Jain philosophy. When was Gautam Buddha born? Answer A. 563 BC. Which of the following is the another name of Buddha? Answer D. Siddhartha. Who among the following is known as the light of Asia? Answer B. Lord Buddha. Where did Gautam Buddha attain Nirvana? Answer D. Bodh Gaya. Where did Buddha reside during the last rainy season of his life? Answer B. Vaisali. What is the meaning of Triratna in Buddhism? Answer B. Buddha Dharma Sangha. Gautam Buddha gave the maximum sermons at which place? Answer B. Saravasti. Who was the founder of Nalanda University? Answer B. Kumaragupta. Vallabhi University was situated in? Answer D. Gujarat. The number of forms of bhakti in the Bhagavata cult is? Answer B. 9. Which kind of Ramayana describes the first meeting of Rama and Hanuman? Answer A. Kiskinda Kand. Ashokaram monastery was situated at? Answer B. Pataliputra. Saptaparni cave is situated in? Answer C. Rajgriha. Which among the following is India's oldest dynasty? Answer B. Maurya. First Indian empire was established by? Answer C. Chandragupta Maurya. Bulandi Bagh was an ancient site of? Answer B. Pataliputra. Who was the son of Chandragupta? Answer A. Bindusara. Which of the following Mauryan officers was in charge of weights and measures? Answer A. Pautavadhyaksha. During Mauryan period, pin tax was a? Answer D. Tax collected by village. Sitta in Mauryan period means? Answer C. Revenue from Crownland. India's first hospital and herbal gardens were built by? Answer A. Ashoka. Who was the author of Indica? Answer D. Megasthenes. Which one of the following scripts of ancient India was written from right to left? Answer C. Kharosthi. The practice of military governorship was first introduced in India by the Answer A. Greeks. Who among the following introduced gold coin for regular use in India? Answer A. Bhima Kadphises. Who among the following is the court physician of Kanishka? Answer C. Charaka. Who among the following rulers started as a protector of Varna system? Answer C. Gautamiputra Satakarni. The king of Kalinga Kharavela was related to which of the following dynasty? Answer A. Chedi. The inscription of Hathigumpha is the source of information about which king? Answer C. Kharavela. When was Vikram Samvat started? Answer B. 57 BC. In the Gupta period, the largest number of coins issued in? Answer A. Gold. Who founded Gupta dynasty? Answer D. Srigupta. Ajanta caves were started during the period of? Answer A. Gupta. Who was the first Gupta ruler to attain the title of Maharajadhiraj? Answer A. Chandragupta I. Who is called the Napoleon of ancient India? Answer D. Samudragupta. Prithvya Pratham Veer was the title of? Answer A. Samudragupta. Kalidas and Aryabhatta were in the court of which Gupta ruler? Answer B. Chandragupta II. Who of the following was the writer of Mudra Rakshas? Answer B. Visakhadatta. The first inscriptional evidence of the Sati Pratha has been found from? Answer A. Iran. Which is called Lokayat Darshan? Answer C. Charbak. Who is constructed the Tribhuvan Narayan temple of Chittor? Answer C. Raja Bhoj. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? Answer C. Gopala. Who wrote Rajataragini? Answer B. Kalhana. Where was the capital of Chalukya? Answer A. Vatapi. Which dynasty built the Pancharathas of Mahabalipuram? Answer C. Pallava. The great Sanskrit poet and dramatist Rajsekhar was the court of which ruler? Answer B. Mahendrapala I. Who among the following rulers is famous as Prithviraj Chauhan? Answer C. Prithviraj 3i.